You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Combine like terms. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 10 over 4 from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1 over 6 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 12 over 1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is x equals 2.